Order for me mawakwaba. Biem. Like I said, empempenso ayedun. Onitifu bi egu ahoboboaso. We are living in the last days. Obi obeka nche say your time. Eninti nyandaje edi boni eye niema no. The person is a liar. Ompe wiye. Sabi sofu bia obekoko na. Won preach end time. En kantra wo say Yesu Kristo wo gina kwan na no wo oba no. Entie ni biem. Asori bia obeguru mu a yen kantra wo say Jesus Christ enam kwamu ba no. Don't go there. Osi wo ba sisi wo before. So be no to know si wo ba won chen wa bra won krawa. Ya net say. The bia wo make issues if you clean. Who sees you? Said you be ya wo meto say. U fie na you fie. And until we are preparing ourselves. There is no time. Or so be a when you be a sabri will preach in time. Or catch ni passe. One more thing and Abraham won't who you nakaka crabin if you were. Now was standing and you munyamu. And it's a name who me ha. And you be engine and buy. And you lot no mess na me betche. And I mean mecha brumus unit soon sumuko di wukusia. And I mean my mecha oil. Na mean can't trust me who's a cuckoo be city. Dear baby can't one say. We are living in the last days. And then to get your house in order before it's too late. Now say you mean when they say you legalize it gay our America. Any crow baby I mean to me body. Nipa bebre afa bunya ho wi akokwa enyakom. People are using gay and lesbianism ebi di atro ewa ban mu jinkrata. Ebinumu de ye niyama bebre ebinumu e de wo mo krata kware wo mu nua mema no mo kire se wo mo ya ware force de be wo benya nkrata wo betumi de wo mawura mu oba ne oba timi kofa obi no wa pretend oh ye lesbians e niyama bebre koso e me binumu eyi wo mo nim sese ya sese na em se ade no ye legalizing tino ye mfans ye biem nti sese de da bonten na enra mi hu video bi na me ti shock. Na obi beka se mame ono to ana sauti abruche na ge na wo hu bi da o Kristo ni bia wonyame asesa na ni wai se wo hu ade a wonyankopon bufu wo hu a etete no se first na me share gay ni lesbian because me ni gay for ni lesbians for ya adwuma pe me ko ya adwuma wo salon bi mre bi atwa beginning of my career maame na no oni honest ni mienu be ma na ye gay na oba na ye lesbian. Me kotena adwuma no 6 months na me nim so mo ye gays and lesbians na me hu mpo so mo ye gay and lesbian me an tete me kura an ame ni nyina ne se na me nkuta wonyankopon agene ene naniwa so what you say abra wonyankopon de ne nsa kan me no di wonyame tan no me hu aya me tai di wo chiri no me hu a me chiri di wo se won pen me hu a na me hu yira me so what you say ene ya be legalize gay na man for ye de ompe mi nuanum Ghana for wa bra yikurum ya bosom ko na se wo mu chiri ya bosom so de wo mu chiri sade no abosom ko le wukurum ho a wo nyame se abosom so ye nkwase asem a wo nyankopon se sa nkofo ni discuss no san se wo mu hwie sa e hye wo no asafo rade ebufu no wo mu kura se they don't like it. Na me hu Ghana for obane oba na omanya platform na they were talking na yin Ghana for bi Sunday church goers na instead of say we have to tell them because e bia na omunim said the omu ye nenye na lady ni timi nya kokodru kan kudu Bible say ye gya no ma ye bone na eso aso twea ba ye so enti what rest ninja no ma ye bone wo mo no me na ba ne so enti na ma na daniel gay and lesbian but Bible say ye gya no ma ye bone no mo so twea ba ye so ye bompa yi ti free ye gya no mo no me ase Kristo ni bia bompa ye eyi ni ti edi free na gya no eno me ase na ni no so say jama mo wo busue no ma ye bompa yi ti free sa no me na se Sansa Bible ne kan wase mo makwan ni enyumo free abusian kontonchire and never busian kontonchire yenyu mutim frase. Enti sa wo ma awurade kwan a sa busian kontonchire no me busian wo yi wuti frase. Wo chaw di free no me busianim. Ama wodi ni moja be so so ma wo ne nye DNA baako. So wo dembe yo Nyankopon ba sa no me busian no won ka ho biem. We janum boni o ye ne super ba wo so no. Sa wo be ma wo ho aye den no woni aye den. No wa so ye gina so go awurade so a wo be yi wuti free sa nkonua na se. And she called this. And we call ourselves Christians. No way. So ye januma born in next one so chain by your sodia. Next one so chain by your sodia. We have to you will run to a henny back power in Jesus. We run to Christ. That's why Jesus Christ came and died for our sins. And did you obey niti for obey Jania to Jesus no now a gin. The one niti for so now a cool boninim. Abusibu one no me that's so your chrono, a be a jamai, a be a monato, a be a woody, and tis a wound yiniba, into the Bible sing Yansan fitias here, and Wunyanko ponsu. Nansa, Nimfitias here, and Wunyanko ponisu. So what you say? Was it so few more frase? No one trust them now. A bama won young son, ya de conquajim. And tis a few more frase who start trust them now. And no never more young son say, Joe Bombay, no yamin you won't free a busian contuncinasi, no me busian when you deem film, no funny mojan so, no one won't be fit at this with them. None when Uncle Pong Bano, Jesus Christ, one and say. Sanatio ye ma ye ho kwan na Jesus Christ ye enunte no oba ye what na so wo say ya wa ma ye janum boni e wo modi ne bedi ye so nti wonya honam bia nti wo say wo jani nyame su no wo so na wo ba fam ha be fa akote bia to ne ho so na wo ba be pay price na wo be pay price ama me no mi no boni no what you the moja na jiye na this moja no what you the ajiye film and to pay price and to wa makwan ama moja na nchichanje no wono wo case because we pay price and be no so say wo mo nyini tefu nyane wo mo betene mu a ama wo mo nananom ne wo moja no bone a wo modi wo mu ko no edi wo mo so. And tis a no a gay lesbian. It will conquer you because when winning answer. So what you say? When winning answer, we're journey to a Christo. I'm an asso. When you say somebody you no, see my member, na me pay price, ye chia canama. Ya be chia utili soka. At the Simoja be a baby chia utili soka. And Timaquay. Na wo fa moja ne so na wonyi wutim fra busia tantan a busia kontonchi na busuma busia no wonyi wutim fra sia wo se da bi na wudi so me hu so bi na no ka se na ho yam mobo na me hu se o Satan wi na complete wo fra ne ni si na so complete no so bi ka chen say God have mercy on her o ka chen ni pakron so won pe on sam fa na de Ono mum na wasu nyame have mercy on her no. So we say God have mercy on Nadia back to sender or the Nadia man back. Every way you woman nipa de woman no kam abusu sam ne niema. What na se gine ho he nipa bebre wo mo have e wo mo nkɔ no efiri woman no. Obi wo have no nko bi because wanu nti. Wo de wanu ya kan sem bi. Ehye mafiri wo nipa wo kra so. Nti wanu asam na ba ye nti no. Heaven won't be. What the kind are you tea? If you are seeing this, when you meet so, no, who will be no, the who cry. One more summoning tino. What the kind stop on? Yet, how? When you may win your baby, I just saw a set example. Yet, young when you go upon set example with Sodom and Gomorrah. It could be a suya bonny when you miss set example. owie ye wan fancy no wakuchiri no Bible no ato ye chiri ma ho se yenhwe papa ne yensua me yenhwe boni nsua no wasete record de ato ye ho se boni asumasi na mo nananom ye wo manfo mo ho ani enti obi biara obedi sa boni no wo no so wo mfa no ni enti mo nhwe papa na mo nsua mo nhwe boni nsua mo bie Bible no ma de obi ye ya me punish no ma mo nko ho de obi ye ya me shira no mo nko ho nso de obi ye ya wonyame punish no sa boni ne ye da eche de obi ye ya wonyame shira no ho obi timika ne sa na ge nso de ya boni bi o Bible no ne enko Genesis Your Bible no nko Genesis nko hade. Your Bible no ko Genesis chapter number 2. You know be ken kan yade wa. Verse number 18. Na men kire wo say a free abode mfiti ase. Onyankopon oba ne oba ma no obo. Wa mo oba ne oba. O say then the Lord God said, it is not good for a man to live alone. To be alone. Thank you. I will make a helper who is right for him. The Lord God had formed all the wild animals and all beasts out of the ground. Then he brought them to a man to see what he will call them. Whatever the man called each creature became its name. So the man named all the domestic animals, all the beasts and all wild animals. But the man found no helper who was right for him. So the Lord God caused him to fall into a deep sleep. While the man was sleeping, the Lord God took out one of the man's rib and closed up the flesh at that place. Then the Lord God formed a woman. One cassette of a man, a man. Was it? And then the Lord God formed woman from the rib that he had taken from the man. He brought her to the man. He brought her to the man. He didn't brought her to a woman. He brought her to a man. One fana obao. Wo yi be man fem pade de bo oba no. One fana nkoma ne yonko ba. Wo de ne ma berema. The man said, listen to what the man said. This is now bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh. She will be named woman because she was taken from man. Yabefra no oba esan say yi na firi oberema ne de ne mfi sana nyame ya no wo bom wo nyina mienu no wo se aka onipa ne ba no onipa ononko a nti wo se wo ma ne dan na ho no wo yi ne mfi mpra no wo de bo oba. No what the bow bow. We in from Pranko bet Massa de Bobema Cano. Go bet me about mammy, you know. We in from Prano in opposites. No bow bar. No decorative bar. Very attractive. See a sharp. Bama be anyone wouldn't for. Bama wouldn't force at the talo. No, I am manufu, no, I am a comer. No, what see manim. No, what decorative and man shape. Very beautiful. No, what see a voice to call the man, yet you different from a mama. Yet you don't know a sound no a ma. No, Merima no Sudiano, a Mubumwa, and also sound no a Berima. So what you say? Emma Yaquano, your secret place, said you by you confused unti was sans sound who create Bema di different. I when you bosswa, Uber was away your Berma. So when you flap run out catching the Pakra, Uber was away where your Berma. nipa kura wo be wo se wei wo ye oba so what you say no sie ne sa no ye wo bia de be ye ne so wo kriti be ma se de be ya oba hu na ne ni be gye ne ho no kriti wo ba se de be ya bere ma so hu na ne ni be gye ne ho enti so wo ka negative and positive ni so ano na are working together enu nyame ye ne sa wo enti Adam sorry ya wo hu oba na was wow, this is a bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh. And I will call her a woman. Neniche yankasa. Edi enije e brand wo trunim wo oba no se wo ye opposite ono no na ni shape ni nipadua ye different no na ni nimudua ene ni tinyi ye nyina ye wo bi enso no oba ne de ye gu nachi ni tinyi ni ye different from berma ne de na ne ho akono ne ho anika the voice tone grandma rechichere. Tone of her voice. And the rechichere bra Adam. No any titrum. So what you say? One any titrum. One mu kodi boni echino. Na me fi say Adam ni Eve be wa. One mu be wo mema nko. One mu kodi boni na echino. Onyankopon pam wo mu fi Eden trum no. Na ma je ye me se wo mo be wo eye mema nko an wo mo be wo ana ma nko an mi sha de na mo se no da bi o so wo mo wo mema ne ma so wo nya me pese wo ka ma mi enu bomu a nko ma Adam ni Eve wo mu mi enu nko aye ba ko sei opposite negative and positive na wo ma se ma beba ni nyina aye ma nko an na wo ma ware wo mo ho. So when you go po pesa, barima wani bema, anka ofri Adam, any Eve so no, nka enya oba ne bema biem, nka beye merima nkoa no mo be wo, na ka barima wani bema. But wanye ne sa, I want to so no, ye wo ba ne bema, sa wo kra na wo ba wo mema nkoa, wo be ko no bi so wo ma nkoa, ye wo etoto sa, e ma ne mema. So what you say? Ya woto to sa e ma ne mema enti ewiase wo hoyi nipa mienu na wo wiase e oba ene barema ene nipa bi atena se akasa da bi o enye sa na wo saye e wo saye oba ne oba barema ne barema nti ye challenge the authority of God actually ne say so obo Adam and Eve dia why mistake. No was a ko Adam ni Adam. No anase Eve ni Eve. And this when you bo Adam and Eve dia why a great mistake. And then you was say yes some mistake now why you know you changing on your correcting the man. Yentoaso 24 no. Me wo Genesis chapter 2 me do 24. Was see that is why a man will leave his father and mother and will be united with his wife. That's why a man will leave his mother and father and be united with his wife. One can say and be united with a man. One can say that's why Eve will leave her mother and a woman will leave her mother and a father and cleave with a woman. No. And they will become one flesh. The man and his wife were both naked, but they weren't ashamed of it. Okay? This thing na unyame boye. This unyankopon say na daje. Ebi kriti nipa. Yenye tumi ewo yimu e kachire unyame se. Wonima debo. Wonima dia e wose woye woninim dia. Unyame na wo bo nipa no. Wonimu dia, wonim se di si bo ade. And it's your saying, wiser than him because so obo berima ne obadia nature sen onim nimdie enkoye because awade oba ne oba ne click here berima ne click here enti adai na wokoye ne opposite enti wo yes adia nature se wasa for awade wonim nimdie enti wo se chira wo sede yesi dane ade no na ye fe no oba nya kukudro akone ananti akone yonko ba nim pampampan akokache ne se wo pe no enya kukudro abegyina oba ne oba se wo mu ware a challenge wo nyankopon akogina adesai enipo bebre anim ebi kura sabri enya kukudro di wura for them was se mu echi wade ebo man awo di for dan ye kan ho asem na de walking kan ma ne ntiase ebre na wiedu ebre no ewiedu wo manya kukudro ebo wura for them se wo mu challenge wo nyame enti wo nyame asori fio yemma wo mu kwan mu megina property na ni mu nshakawa enye berima bodise to bodise emeye I do enkantre wo mu say you may kiss a man. You see yenya just yenya kukudro akukudro assembly is dangerous, but some people don't know, they don't see it. So we'll be challenging ready. That's the most dangerous thing because we nyame nyansafo na nim na chi nyame bia ni ho. If you put your feet here, nyame bia ni ho. Into woni papa biara and from my be free ni mu babia. I will be na chen say wo be challenge wo nyankopon wo case sani pano wo big case so what you say en ye die chire en ye nyankofo binom no mo so support en ye ese ye binom nipa ni bi ese wo mu tiri ni fie ese crazy egu nipa ni bi adwene mu nti nyankopon oto nani a wose menume ho se mi bo dipa wankase wonu ne ho so obo mmoa wose wonu ne ho se wo bo nipa no obo no se ni suba so ne saso no wose wonu ne ho so obo wonu ne ho so obo mmoa wonu ne ho so obo abo so ne adwe emponche ene muro no mane mpatu pre wonu ne ho so obo pomu mpata but was so who say wo bo nipa. Why? Because human beings are challenging the authority of God, teaching him say the oye no one him they have to sit back and correct him. So what you say? Ni correct unyame. Oba tena se no shan ho was the unyame say better man fit and you bo oba no. Even though we be man fin about me cry, a radi why you mistake. It was so come about no about boom. Now come be man be my boom. And to me found so we me fin padie. Now the ball ba me yonko berima no me ware no. Me found so we me fin padie. Now the ball or berima and fin padie na the ball me. It just send me yonko ba and it's not near ware. Now the humba kwa musai. The most dangerous thing back home, Messiah, and say, "Oh, my come as a man, you know, no more pay your fundi. No more sampa, or more war. And tis a more to media. I didn't want Casamunco movie, I say, no more creating nipa. No more sampa, say, more for young couple method and so, no more the woba. Someone in such a radidia. Any identity, no more person of phone, your method on so they will buy. Because Obama wants you near Cochi, at the Ama Obama, no one the insane, no I will. Elton John, Hollywood, Oyebi, Mtuni Elton John. They did it about the same, you know, Wumukutaba. Tis the most awurade dia ade ne dru batam dia mo ankasa mo mfom bi ma yourself. If you're so wise than Jesus dear, why don't you create a human being for yourself? Not just a who doctor ni ko chi berima bi hu nsuo nti na bi no modwuma no so ma do gallon kese so wonu nsuo ne so wonu wakoshe be bi achichine be ma sperms na koton. Now some people, that's their job. We are challenging God. And why not? And super and no me and me good nipa da seniso. E kurono modru sum. E kurono mo edru sum. This when I mention and they say you want to me show. Want to me share. Onipa o ba no. Last me busa question. Mrs. will be ya dear if you are prakra will be pra. Now fun the chisa or coprechira. Upo. Now person will chill me pacron say so a penia. Or bachelor so who did at them, even though whom you are non canboa and aquasia. Or bachelor so who yan who did at them womb muno. No, when you're mere tenacity. Attitude or tear. And you know what, Berma. Nese kasano peno dia ka wo so onye Adam fo bi nu e wo edi trum ho na ka wo mo na mo ba wo wie no se da bi enye se wo nipa nkotena me ye ne se so boafo mama wonim die wo ba mu as wo connect to bema itumi work here wonim die oba ebetuma yama berma. And the Barama Betima Yomo, he knows. No creating together, say. And the Nipa or home from my media who from my or homie, won't me move be man itself. Or homina men from as I challenge the authority of God. Wa homina men from all. Tinasa say so. Nessa musi nyame mistake and obo oba ne bema dia and you know nyame mistake so maso ye hata ho e wo saka mo command na so you yi ne ho na mo kasa ya hwe na bre because the film mo fra sibisi sabri esuru ye nsesan de tia ne tie esuru ensesan de tia ne tie nti so mo so nyame mistake e wo nipa bo ho dia. And you next year hata we hata watch nti munyini free ho munyino en free ho ye challenge Awurade onipa he challenge onipa wo di mfie dioso aboso kra ye du watch e challenge onyankopon ti asefo onipa and nkwana ye de man no adioso abroso kwa ye di watch will di only 80 and 70 will be the 40 will be the 20 will be the 15 years will be the 5 years will be the only 1 week sani payo e challenge wunyame na se mu betima challenge wunyame se dia me pese kamo nkwana no mu fie na mu bedi no nkamo mo 900 years 1000 years emma mo ankasa mo saf no motumot na modi bone na che obi a wo mfie dudu a wo bidi wasase so ene mra wo bidi wasase so woni tirim na wo challenge ni obi a wahye na ato ho wompa ho eduru ho pe wo asamando no wo ebe fa wo de wakosie no sa nyame no na wo challenge ni so when the man challenge no ama na nyi wo mfiri ho dia ene adai my brother my sister na wo challenge na debo eto no sedame ene ye tu unyame ade te say ye de dame na si wo unyame de to ane yesu apeda pan ne de ato unyame de to ane yesu de apeto pan ne de ato unyame de to ane atam ne de ato pam pan ne de ato sane ye Awurade ye de dame na si enim ne ye to no the way we want it. but you create dame board any dame niema na eguso no nya na create ye nso tena ho o maso a onyame de to na de to pan pam no sesa ba na gunsa. You see, we are challenging the authority of God. Na yemfa ye ho ni o. Yemfa ye ho ni. Yemfa ye ho ni da. Yemfa ye ho ni jise ni tefo. Yemfa ye ho ni jise di woman na ho kwan. No onyame de no muja so ne so. Yemfa ye ho ni. Yemfa ye ho ni o. Yemfa ye ho ni. Yemfa ye ho ni obi obeka so obefa ne ho di oboa. Ko Genesis chapter 19. Your Bible no ko Genesis chapter 19. Genesis chapter 19. Verse 4, we shall see free. Or see, before they had gone to bed, all the young old, let me find shall see free 3, no, sorry. Genesis chapter number 19, verse 3. Or see, but instead, so strongly, they came with him and went into his home. He prepared a special dinner for them, baked some unleavened bread, and they ate. Before they had gone to bed, all the young and old men, citizens of Sodom, surrounded the house. They called to Lot, "Where are the men who came to stay with you tonight? Bring them out to us so that we can have sex with them." Then Lot went outside and shut the door behind him. "Please, my friends, don't be so wicked. Please, my friends, don't be so wicked," he said. "Look, I have 2 daughters who have never had sex. Why don't you let me bring them out to you? Do whatever you like with them, but don't do anything to these men, since I have responsible for them." But the men yelled, "Get out of the way. This man came here to stay well. Now he went to be our judge. We are going to treat you worse than those men." They pushed hard against Lot and laughed forward to break down the door. The men inside reached out and pulled Lot into the house with them and shut the door. Then they strike all the men who are in the doorway of house, young and old alike, with blindness, so that they give up trying to find the door. Abu Yankopon who say, Sodom and Gomorrah bonia sansania bedroom anymore. Or small buff woman, you know, so monko Sodom and Gomorrah. No monko secret. Now, Omuche mo a lot to whom no frame or ram, Mr. Moba, Momrefi, na me mamma be being womanase, na me mamma be me. Or motom or can no one person do mutibaji. Nti wo or try ya ma wo gin so penny ma wo de wo kofi e ko ma wo bibidi ne dure nimre no na Bible si krumofo no gayfo was fitting kolaso kosi penny so. They came to Lot and say wonyi sam rantim yinu na wo maba no na wo na. That's how worse it becomes. No se ra no mamunya bone sa na se mu po bi na nada me wo man bi no bi wa ha wo mu ye e de say wo mu mema da wo mu ye virgins na munya wo mu di wo mu pe bia, and these people insist to say no still for some mema no unyankopon e de say wo ma ba no no mu nim say wo mu ye abofo nyame asoma wo mu do wo ma ba. So what you say, they did all these things to them, And Lord tell them, don't be so wicked. Only wicked people will sleep. Only wicked man will sleep with a man. Only wicked woman will sleep with a woman. Osemamunya bonisa. Nti so obane obada eye bone kese. Barima da eye bone kese. Wose wonim se eni kwan so barima na edanti. Waka kire wo mo se bo bi ne nada me wo mami nu ha. Awo mo wonka nsuo. Enti na chese Lord nim se barima na ye chiwade kese. Eye chiwade enti so mo be yesa na se wo mo akono na asori no muntimi nhya wo mo so dia. Anye na me wo ma wo ha enti mo megye me wo ma amatete wo mo Sodom and Gomorrah ha. Awo mo ye virgins. So mo po bi ne nada dia. Anye mo mefa me mama yi. Ni nyina ne se na Lord to tiri wo fie. Na Lord to sura urade. No woni mu Nyankopon na chiwade. No wo say a great abomination. Se barima ne barima beda. Enti no offer ne mama ne se mo se mo ntinja ya sase abane. Na mo ho yira mo dia. Na mo po bi ne nada dia. Eni na me wo mama mi nu ha. Wo mo kura de wo mu hu mema da. Mo me ne wo mo na. Because no woni say e chiwade e kese. They still refuse. And a lot of men refuse to marry women. A lot of women refuse to marry to a man. They don't like it. Ninyana say, when you miss your name in home, was it when you're here no, when you're the papa? One must say no. You will not Barimano, and you're the papa. You will not the young Kubano, and you're the papa. No, Satan is switching. And it's a lot because I know say papa watch it in the ma. I'm a virgin. No be a ba. So person in the young Kubamada. No catch and said that bio. Some more per member no madam me. Matete maybe woman can you. Moment first I may no woman not easy. Because of say when him say Berman shimu a great abomination. Ne suddenly when Yanko Pombo before the bar. And it was say, ay, Mamunya bonesa. Mamunya bonesa. Mamunya bonesa. This about your mummy bonibia and your mammy mamma and then the opposite because you didn't know you were Adam and Eve. Almost say no. They were challenging the authority of God. They said no. You only miss one pen and one year by year. You didn't say no. And you who member you say you see no more da. Niti mabe bresabre omunya kunu sister nya wa wo kuna wasa ware no be ma bia so ni mu ene na ware emerima bebre e wo yire no ma onyankopon yi wo mon fi asabre e ma no akoda ni lesbians ama brada ni hu ne yire bra enye wo yire no wakoda ni lesbian eniti sabre obi akofa de enye ne dia na ware agin serpenti mpetaku ni nyina ne se said you Satan eshisha nyema no wasay adia no enti amemu aye den ni komo ba me bi sabre wo hwe me se se ne yire anka wo se wonyame yi ni ma no pa no wo ye lesbian bari me bi hwe me o ne yire a wonyame yi ni ma no pa wo ye lesbian sabre enti wakofa obi die o baby shame ni kuna wunyami yi ni ma no pa sabra me no kasabrantie ne gay ti wakofa obi die nti ye chim nti ama awaye no imu aye tawe nye kono se wumu se barima ni barima ware yesu na ye obi kuna woni yede ne koyi obi yere ni yede ne koyi wo so oba ne oba e ware a so e obi yere no nti sasa nipa no na nipa no so no obebo mpa ise wade me yire wo hia wo hwehwe system ni mu ye hu no wakodi wo baby nsam barima no wo bompa wade me kunu wai wakodi barima bi ni yoko barima bi nsam o se nyansam fiti ase ni wo Nyankopon so Yan free your mofrasi muni yansa. And when you meant a man ya kron. Ama ya mompa ya muyam for you kunuma mreye. Heninti ya 3 yenino. Ye ni buy your honsono. Ne be no matter again lesbians. You need to walk of you bit me. Mammy, I'm not sure what me boss wa and ye nina necessity and you couldn't know all tongue. Until I didn't come and come. And I'm say, young free of mofrasi, and who trust them ninty, you couldn't know me, or my good baby bassa. Ntis a woman say, or Barney or Bear, what your sister brother, and shout at them go down mature. And Cassoon, remember the boy of Foba. Nti wo so support wo mo obi kunu ne yede ne kro no obi yire ene yede ne kro no obi yire o lot. What's the matter? Don't be so wicked. Someone who be na da me wo ma wo ha nti na chese lot nim se e yo berma ene wo ba ene unyami kriti ye wan kriti man ma wan ye sa ni ya sorry say ye nu unyami be die sie nti die e koso wa asase so no e ye challenge urade ene di o haw ni amane e ba ye so sa no otom e sa you go to subi again no ware enko ho nko party na say don't go there. Who go to subi lesbians no mo why unyame kra so do bi apama no mo sesa no mo be ya enti me en support wo ma na ade ni ni do sa e wo so yi do adi kira wo mo bo. You crazy wo mo bo wo mo so di tie urade wo ko hye wo mo basa mu dwendie fanse kuti ni su da wudi na paka be ba be si wo kwan no a wo be dru hedi so no na be who say yes what din some hu o se ade boyefo na so wutwe so ne bi no munya daje abetena bonten ne bi no mo kra de munya wo mo ade wiese bone ku be ni bia ye bone atro kra ye bone ai we kra ye bone he mu kra mu te sei mu nyina bone bia ye bone ade munya wo mo. So what you say? Nso nyame di jakoto so do memgomoria mantis wo se atro nkofo enu mu di atro no di jakoto ho oba ne berima na menkase di atro enye eye bone but the megwade sane ya wo suma na bofo so mo mehwe na oba ne berima ne be da tu nyame ti so won man ne yam hwehwe no ni nyina ne say ye challenge the authority of him ye kire ne say eye dai na wade one nyansa amo Adam ni Adam na obo Adam ni Eve ye kire ne so no obo ye no unimu nyansa so what you say ye did na tam ya super no ye in the face down ye muno ni ye support o wo mu wie ya o musase ye sa peba eba so ayo barima no oba ntem barima no oba ni di ehyiemu ansa na eba pi mu ba barima ni ehyiemu emma oba empie mu emfiri be ma to mada and yes sir onyame wonwene ye no obo ba bi mienu oso okode kwan odawiem obarima kwan oba ho wankasa barima kwan wo barima ho woso obarima kwan oba ho ne wo wankasa ne yonko barima ho wankasa ne yonko ba ho wankasa ni ye change ne yasesem ye wie ya ye sase ye pese ye wo eno kwa no mo ho ye me wonwa no na kwabrane afansuo galon one pagement no anoma hyenafu no akopa starches niema bi edidi no akoshe kokomu ubo ni tirinko no atwetwe ne bema ayi spams akoton sebeji never ko unu yonku ba no fa kogu ni wumbu mu nyinsen no wonma unse ye jimi unse wajimi jimi wodi sonse kukuo wajimi si because because was in some fiti as in Yanko Posu, Ninamisu who now be challenging no dear. Let's watch me. Nada. Show. Why ya dear no opposite say? For young cool Barama, and your opposite. Namun to me, na yefunie. Usia was say ye the same, Obanoba. Nani other no moko pay your fundia. I don't know, must say, a Bama and Bama, dear. Nessa, I want in a Bama no bantam, dear. And you move your body a day. Move your body a day. Multiply your demon country me. Ni challenge you ready. You're solitary ready. You're trying to say, the old boy and our money yet. And you're from an old man, Nini consort him if you stop on from an catch this I won't pay. Catch and so what you make say, what any question or body bemadia. And you know, I quite be old boy when I yet, and to one casa cosesam, or he could to feel Tia Quine. Tiano. Yes, solitary ready. Yes, solitary radio, and your money go your sweet. And no how near Tete a yin free muday. And near Tete, and ne, Sabri, Chese, and near my echoes, yes, and airtime. And near my echoes, when you miss Sunday, woman, some uncle, and power your witness, woman buy your son pack, woman to share woman so perform no more that, when you're near before. No one them so when you was sunny and mama a brand TV shiana kaso pen crapping. No sisa. Missoni a tunimbi. Onyanko ponso ma yese ye mese kure enti you niema ne kope poniso ebramuri kwai mumu bi entwanani Sodom ni Gomoria no jademu Sodom ni Gomoria no jademu Onyankopon suma yese ye mese kuroi enti yu niema ne kope poniso Abramuri kwai mumu bi entwanani misi Sodom ni Gomoria no jademu Sodom ni Gomoria no se wonyameti Sodom ni Gomoria so di jabe tomu dia sister brother found you found me too for still na copy poniso Ebra we natural people no so wo koi encha wani nhwe wiase encha wani nhwe wiase Onyankopon asoma wo se wo be sei kloi so what did that to Sodom ni Gomoria dia wo be sei kloi enti yu niema na fu ni kire people no so Jerusalem kukunkron no for wani kire so New Jerusalem for wani kire people no so nante na nkosi da ba ya wo beduru Edani se bo me bo dania wo beduru sro wo beduru kurukunkronim encha wani njawachi na Sodom ni Gomoria erade di jebe tum wo be secret me nada minim kurukura wotiso ebe yi nipa bi sesini onyame be shiki ground sanjo onyame be shiki wo be manipa hu se What is wrong with Minyansan or Abuja? What the branded don the end Juma? Why any selection be? When you may be some from assassin in China, so from will be some from Mamfo. No, what to a good to say you, I be good person. No, what the jar and I can't to say Moko. Now, the shishi nipa and nipa the senior challenge. When you put the boy in your challenge when you mean the authority of God, actually, say, and so come over the palm and nipper you more papai. Not out. Share, what's this when you pay your nipper be bonnier? Yet to me, no will be a cotinamuka, yes, some. Nessa will nipper, who you know me bonnier. Why, Neko can be a mouth? Why? And then I was think it twice. So nipo, so you nyame bonia. Why neko can be a man? Ye jijiso. Ni nyansi wa buchi. Ye jijiso nyakom. Mo party ya sige funi ho. Lesbians ni ho. Da ben wo free obi etu ne fu say hi. Onyame na chiwade na wo ye. Monje ye no man fa no me amekan. So what you say? Monje ye no man fa no me amekan onyame sim ye no wiase. Bible can James 4:4. What's your one say for? Monim se wiase adam fofa eye tania etan wonyankopon na de wo fa wiase adam fo no wo gina wo so wonyankopon tamfo wo bia wo fa wiase adam fo no be lesbian ni gay wo fa wiase adam fo nti wo be gina wo so wonyame tamfo wo say aware a wo Kristo eni ni pandem wo say no nti wo ye ware say for nti wo be fa wiase adamfo nti wo be gina wo so unyankopon ne tamfo because you chiri na wo ye so what you say empempen so ye dru no so one need therefore na so wo be tena sia so bone so a you will be in trouble asantefo ne bube o mo se di oto bobo kotre ne ho nya hi se di ugina nchen se wani gine di o ye gay ne lesbian ne ho nya hi o se wa wo te wo kasa adai let them be onyame wode obi apaman ade na mu yi wo mo to kyere ade mo so mo ni bie wo tumi ma wo mo konya tena se wo party ase no wanya futu papa bi ama wo no mu gina wo sa be ma ketechi ebu no mu so ba na wo te ho na ya osere na ya ofe na mu bi mo fefa wo madamfo na mu ni ntumi hu nyansa anka nyansa samo nkyira wo mo se wo mo dia wo mo ye ni unyankopon na chiwade first class na mo so so boni so chichi boni so she boni nsamo se boni nyini boni nye ye munnie what is so ba oni ni kunu tie na oba na chimpana na wona ye tekra wodwem mibusa wo se be ma ne be hu se wona wo chimpana na chi na wo twetwe ne yere no akoma be ma foforo de ne be sie sa na ye awari e da ye ni Kristo ntam no na mutiti mu say no nti no se awari say for monim se ewiase adamfofa eye tane onyankopon na de ofa ewiase adamfo no wo gina wo so onyankopon tamfo ni nada mpempen so ye dru no so mo anyi ni tefo na mo anwane efiri sa boni ekoso yi ho ni obi ne kuma nti obosi akona di ni ti aja kyerema Lot ni ne matna Sodom and Gomorrah what the ten ma o amoma me lesbians ni gays wo baba be ye virgins uti abuchi titeba ama se wo ba ye gay wo ba ye lesbian na mo so wo mo befie so e die chire ma profi so for ma sorry na me koi me baptist sorry so for mama bako oba me nchen so for ni hero no se me dia se me beto ani nkofo bi ba ya sorry wa o mo ni close pa na woman ne ba no boy no wo ye gay no wa try ya so person de ni partner no ba fi ho o dia ba beto me ni me kuni nti mister asem yenya ndey nam se muntumi kan chenso ma ne ba ne kwan no mfa ge na chese wo fo aso ena se efie wo no wote a ontumi ntina ma me ne presence emfa ge ne mafie ho meda wa bra ma me ne papa ne tua da nika no so wo de bari ma ne be fie ho no ma me ne mpene ha wose so wampene obetu nam se wontu won sha se koran sake ne fifio so wakasa no wonti a wontu ma nani so wo mane ntina fie ho emfa be ma ne ma ho emeda wo under their roof na me so for ma me fi se ma no be dan me ka kire ni dwam me say tell her he should let him move out from the house me nim di ntia wo de asem no beto manim me say ka kire no say they should move out from the house. So was son in branching. We raised them at this church. At times, as a female, we need him, and you need woman kwan mum fetchi wade ebo man me wura safunim. No. Sa safunim ni atete no. Every nkola bring mama na nyini dia. Still, we won't allow him to bring that abomination to the church. And wekesa. Nti woman ni mu close a. Munka woman ni suwote na msika no kura ne kire no tell her the truth. Ye ko be bia ye ne ko na mse tell her the truth. Let her know the truth. Don't sugarcoat, don't hide anything. Because if you guys didn't tell her, no allow a brand no money the boy in the befiwa or be sound in action one day they will come and tell you say they want to get married. Woman the baby jina property so. Woman the jina so sorry ne downfall no. Because nipa bebre woman need a hopa. And it is asem yeba. Not just asem no. Want to mean cancer na brofo no. Nti wo so na me bedwe no. Me kan ni jam man fancy. Me se katra ma me ne se na ne ba ne prim na koma so the boy ni bebe fi wo huntu no. Won't to ne free fio. It's going to be painful for her na me tell her. My nyeja me hu. Me mama no me kat me me se tell her. Asori hayani yet na me se katra no. Katra no say. So when one man koise wom. No ano. Nti ye katra no wom me se han. Ye ne na mo me se pain. O word na se kwa ye ne me se yes. Nso de obi afre obi kasem we osi o nani obende. Onyame na ase je ono an be ye osi adeboyefo nti no mbae. Nti we de anya hwe so ese waka bia na omo se omunti a we de na me onyame so so ba de boyefo ba nti mu kwan no mmra so okwa adwuma bi twitwi adan kakra ma no mo metin me ka kire bru ni fita wo na yesofu mami wa sori ne sofo kese no ni yire no wo ne metina ase gene ho no fra me me ko asori ko bompai na group bi ate wo mo asoro wo mpese wo sori tia enema ekoso na o hyase ne me bompai every Tuesday na me ni mi nko akọ hide asoro ne bompai na wonyame ye nsenkyere ne ma ebradwe ne ntiase so nti efiri wo no bibini a na wo frɛ me na wo bɔ me so what yes me ka chance no eturo bi abrofo ye bompai no kra wo brofo yi na tia fa so me see Kathy yes. You know, sometimes I'll move into my own language. Don't worry about it. Oh, see, I know. God is with us. It will be a profound na direct nam tree. Missing English is my second language. I'm calling me mommy boss. Yes. Oh, no. So what you say? Nyakom. Me pempen so you do. Wo be shesadi no takra with you be in trouble. You will be in big trouble. Me nada. They were under our roof. Ye no woman at it here. Ye doing a kukodro. And cancer almost said you mo ye no. Be ma wunya mi bu fishia sane. Yen kai yo. Ye no woman nam. Wo pe wo masem yesa wo bedo nipa bia. Onyankopon se yen do nipa odo wo nipa ne nipa ntem. And do would don ne say, we catch and say, Bonnie would you know, when you made a nickel to Jim to one sorry free the bonnie. Don't know, now can such them. Now so don't now one can't send the Indian ass and when you do. And when you do, you could put some class woman pet, gay lesbian. Nay, Christopher, challenging the authority of God. And the motion the eye. And now Barbie Rawari for me. Sissy Gabby Rawari for. And now Banu Kunkrati near Fanato. The same thing. Obanu Kunutino. Woman Unya Kukudro. Mani Kunukoim and Fanato. A chiwa dear bomb my. A chiwa dear. A chiwa dear bomb my. Yet a chiwa yammy before. And the bass I see so. Na enya common. Nipa bia will be participating in such things. Ebenya so chini si asasi so ansan wo. no the same place na wa o ma kunu kwan ma na fa wo wo do be chira the same adequate difference in him the same thing baby wo do ba why a boss ye gina no the same place no the berima wo tena timi nya daje ko gire dwaye e de samna ko twetwe ne be mama ne sepem se ba no tugo no the same place no de ne be gina me nada wo nti wo de fa gallon musio wi ataji no niema starch ne bo homo de nya adwuma tena fie twetwe be mama ne ton spam se no ton ba almost one day ukwaku denso wo man so a oye adwuma biem na adwuma no be san me nada boni ekoso wasasi so no nyame wa che wo abojo chire nti no se da ne bubefuo no mercy that was so ibeje wa no mercy that Jesus Christ no wonder so se na tade a ehye no wo de abom mogem wo de asoku blood wo de asante for me say so moni bre amosi ni bre soja me bo a ni bre soja ko na me mutimi ko hyemo ntoma tu sudi na yakọ mo so moni abre unyame de won hye ni sudi o Yesu Kristo de won hye ni sudi what the pure blood na hye na tade ni tenkon no de wura because of onipa boninti because of onipa boninti nani abre no what na tade na no mojam tenkon mojako fresh blood washe nyekom wanu ne de ne nyesudi me nada no di bo nyekom na babawa eni abranti hia no mo keka wade so wonware no wo mane kwan ma abranti ni ne koda fa ne to nsane de akopopetanim wo ka sa wo yemi onyame bufuhie na otwetwemba so no wo se bone eti onipa ni fie na wo bidi wasase so bone te so tene ne so eto onipa ni fie na wo bidi wasase so na wo so wo challenge urade nti no wonder gone too soon 12 years no from bound 15 years no from bound ye nipa wu ten boni chiwadi ebo man ni de kewrade ni blasphemy ni din ye ni mafuntia no ye sori ye keka ye ni manya mesompa na nsu mu ho den ye de konkwaje mu no ya po ye free ye Christopher na su boni akase eni ye die we make us obi atonata de so ko asori chena nsu wa mani kunkwan ya fa de to nsu chena ko he okotim okoye dede egunkofo so okwa asori wanya dajo akoyi nyinsan atogu wanya dajo afa ne yire ne ho ba no wotu ne ho nsu na pogu wa Genesis 38 wanya me kom obi wo ho fa woni ani kunafo nane nkoda wanya dajo kan Genesis 38 wo koye no ni ni ani yire ne koda ni ni ana wu waye boni amunyam kunu na satam no emra ne kire se obetumi ni ni kuma betumi ni kuna ni ni ana awawu ne yire no obetuma fa ne kunafo ne na koda wo ma ni ni ana awawu wo hu se wo ko wo sa wo na enya wo no dia ye de betu ni ni ana awawu ne so nti wo ne oba ne dana ne hu nsane no wo puogu unyame kumu no nti wo de hye condom ne oba ne na unyame wo bekum to spam sunu tugu unyame wo bekum wo so koton ma doctors unyame wo bekum me nada nti wo show waja ye cheche be ma na wo waste sperms no unyame bekum because wo kum bi wo ho Genesis 38 what did you make unyame wo sa wo do stroke wo fa be jojo wo be ye mobo wo fa be jojo at the age of 40 na Parkinson disease na account na wo so si che me nada mpempenso ye drum boni nsamudia monsha siemfamu monsamu musi because ni yodina eso bie e wode ne wasam nanim he mami no toa ne sa wari mu de nam de onyame ankyere se de nsi fan ne enu kikunum na enam so wo formula bible ne mu hifa enu onyame se wo no yire da mo na se enu de wan kyero nti de me pesa me ne yire da sa na me ne beda de me pesa me ne me kunu da sa na me ne beda ne on your bible no Genesis 38 onai wasting in sperm so no onyame kuno wo kuno to kyere nti ubema na wo kyekye wo beku ena Sodom and Gomorrah barima fa barima 20 ena onyame di jakoto wo nti wo de fa yire to me na da wo beku because wa bo baabia e wo so fa oba no na wo challenge Awurade say nye sa na wo say ye wo bo ho ma ne say so wo didi me ya di beku no emfa ho mpie na wo kire onyame say wo nim nyansa nti wo be da na oba no no wa fa ne to no wo de yade ato ne so ama ne to aso nsuo ama cancer abaye no so ni jimi no ma kwan se fa ne to ne soliti Awurade ni nyina ne so wo do ni kunu Bible says you do kunu yire ba nanja semi asafo Awurade won fatama hinie manya no to ami do me kunu mama na mfa me to wo ja me erinti obedo ni kunu ja Jesus no wa sori etie wo nyame asam di chassi fanse guti o me kame kire wo fa birth control na ko nsu bi twa obi ti na TV so yeso wo de koje sakawa na no mi bi efiri wonu mu ba bia wo TV no na adi gu nso wo so woni chia se birth control ya wutiki ya wudie esai nkomo na wo yem na be fom ba aba asase so no eno de wonim wose di ushi nipa moja gu no enam nipa nsa so ni be hwie wono so ni moja gu di ushi nipa moja gu no enam nipa nsa so wonim nkomo onyame de gu wumbu ni ye dane kyerosem ne kyerem no modifo yi mo sofo atrofo yi a no mo dane wonyame asem e de kyerem nti ye koka no mo so dane mo agye ni ato na nsesem gu mo adwim na ye mo de mo ni agye mo kyekyere kaso odu kogim ukoshi ha story ndi mama no to akama siwa onya gay for obeje onya lesbians obeje onya tumudifo obeje munyo kwa no mo ba ye no wotuma tichi wo mo so munyai mo ku so mo tumanya kukudro bi gura so ndem ya eni fa asem ne ma wo mo ntem ni ja so woje wo mo offering no mo tight ye tokasi bi ma binu mu dem ye mo adoya kese Menya sure say na me so for ma me no nsa ansa be free mo cause the no see kase woman no omoni ne ye close utum so you be o ya do ye pa wo do mochi sekusi se minim na wonyame so di madanse yes obeka ye man sugar kutu asem mi yi ho man direct man fancy ene ye tu ye ni wo ne wadamfo bi na tie wo hu se ne ba ne ye lesbian oso wadamfo pa no woni ne kon nakrana wo frɛ ne masa omo ya woma as a matter of fact wona aye godmother o wona ma wona aye godmother se mo frɛ ne se godmother se ho apan mother wona aye bia no wo hu sa akola ne ye lesbian ai mama ma to me koka ne ma mbu befu me ti asem we de menka nti wo kwa akuya na te sai wo free school ba no wadamfo ne ho ye de na wo hwehwe ni pani wo ntuma mfra akola no ntena se nkasa ade a wo ye enu ntin wo nyankopon di jakoto Sodom and Gomorrah wo wie no se me ba hwe papa ne sue na nhwa bone nsua nti de wo ye na kua e de no make kase be ba so nti stay away from it wo so koka ne ma mbu befu du shabone nsam de du koto wo ma na so wo de fe wo woni chio se wadamfo ni mai gay a wo mo ye ne nkoyi wo so wadamfo pa no wotime wudi ekoso wontume nya futu amankola ne wo mo papa na die chiri na nefedefe wo munku wo no won cheso munku wo munku so nya di nti wadi no munku what is a dear? And Pempenso Yedruno, man come in near Bonia Cassia, ye dino, say ye naya, unamini you case. And then you won't bottom near the crashing. No me boon come your so in your common. And now see ye young shumundi. Ye japadina quacudi, a bonifon sem, and no one company Sakasia. It owns by gays and lesbians. What for? Because ye don't boy you see a small radin, ye young chum. Ye can clean when I'm sumpa, but ye are coming in. You will chill in chili. You will don't know ye not, ye chayasha. Christo ni akwa yesi ufisu ye Christo ni osha no bi ama gona ucham petition wasi nipa odisi nipa ba untimi fancy awrade o untimi fancy awrade okwa asore pansu bi ja wakodi fotrofo ye waja ne bodua na to abehye coat no di ekire ne yakonsam mfre and na asore dem ne friend sama ye friend sama yo wa bra psychic fo ne dis adwuma Omuni di sedjuma ikrum hanuma nsama mfefo no omaje ho lances omo friend saman nti so kwa asore dem ne frɛ saman ya enya asore mu na otie no ye frɛ obi ewu a enya asore mu na otie no ni di ekire enne ye nkɔ asore nkɔ hwehwɛ Kristo nti ye Kristo so agye nsere pene mpataku ni ye ni gefu ni lesbians aka so ano na ye nye kwanya ma wo ma find wo mu ways to the pulpit. To the pulpit. So what you say? Ni be a fagay ni lesbian. No mo de jen krata me bo. Krata oko to Monday. One and any come. So you ba. So say mo ye lesbians. Nso sa bo. Me bo. Because you legalizing gay and lesbianism. Nti wo fa ho no you soon na de akojen krata. Wo so woni ye lesbian. Ti mu ko gina koto. Ni afremu okwa wo don sakoso so ne to afefe no mebo wo de je nkrata because you legalizing gay ni lesbianism wonye bia nso kodi ntro nkrata nti due brother na woni ne kokko to Friday Monday wo se mo ye gays nkrata nti mo ba out to se mo ye gay wa bra wo woni tua wo yere ni nyina na sa wo penkrata nti abojise to abojise mo bokot Mukwa kujina hono musa mukwawale sede be ya mbinya nkrata wabra woni tua sente sa wukwa kudi ntu wonyame nim no so kire sente sa ntu wonyame wotese wo hu ntu wo case sa hu no be bo from the court nti so one for we yonko be ma be fire to ibiti woni no me no be sana wo so akọ ma ne so wo ma ni tifo anwane anfiri wo moja no mo me ase asem ba Sao ni biye. Wasi a trufu nyina eja any Satan. Ni dine chie. Nkrata ewiase mu nyama ntio. Bible yisu se me no wiase. Ana nyama wu wiase ne so bi to wiase na eja ne do eninimu. Na de wu wiase nyina ye ni wakono. Asetene mu ho a infri ja no ifri obonsam. Ewiase a wo donti hwebra wo bo nsema wo koka no wokoto wa branya no krai. Shanumia, would you go when no chili man or none of so? So what you say? And go yo, me come chow. Go ye near so. Yes, so near my funnel, near my time, near Christopher so. Party na say for the anago. Nyamwa. Pentecost for Yamwa. Baptist for and Yamwa. SDF for Yamwa. Presby for and Yamwa. Where's the free? And moi. Methodist, and moi. Roma for moi. Roma cried the moon baby. You can come see boy. Party na say why man. And he found the call. You call him some next Saturday. Muko bought him from 11. So now when you're not to me, I don't hear about Kumpo. Muko guasia ya shisha sa muko boye same. Aku diasa no nonsa different colors. dear son. Who is was at what I did go such an old question. Bible issues will be the body of friend in the Uti we as a party as a cosa chubby. Also, I a body of fraud that's so cosa could you chubby. Until we did the Who are you? And who are you fooling? Nyama gay ni lesbians. Eh, you are brutality. No, my home. You are brutality. The banner be free school, but no a lesbian. No, quatasum must feel. No, I am another for no much them. Or send a down for no, not shed them be 2 hours. And you know more. What kind of a damn for is that? What kind of a damn for is that? You more worry for not Mr. Mama now. Maybe you tight. They were lesbians. Maybe you tight. They were guys. But you don't see it. Some people are so tight. They were gays and lesbians. But you don't see it. Or send it down for them. No, when you could run it and be briefy. If you are not down for no so baby dear, almost so ye lesbian. What will be a creative bedroom? One more bema be one can't bema be crown once a month. One can't say bema smissy where you person so person one make 1 million and no can be that. The piano madame for madame for what to be shift you 2-3 hours no more them. When it's you, so you pretend like you don't see it. You pretend like you don't see it. Who could look at you? The Chinese will be a bunny. It's a butcher, it's a young day. It's a pa, maybe on Pempen so I do. It's a dear young. So what you say? No, China, who shall born in some born in ye. Once no cheese school fees in Adenico school. Who shall obey the New York? And he said, you watch what you up, what's up, but I'm here. Come and pick your brother up, please. What's up, but I'm not in what? When it's your pa. Said you are, and you're lesbian. She said you see you. Until I'm saying, Mamma Natadi Munyashi. Trousers and agents, Munyash and Muyani gay for your pet. Muyani lesbian for your eye, they said. Say, I know Mushisha woman. And she said, Christopher, Yan Shessikatia, Yanu pet. But I can't be who, Clamo Papa, and to Munya agents and the shed, Namushas Yanshas gets. Yes. Your budgets, you almost will be until you food to fried rice. You would you again, you would your lesbian. Until Christopher, Mama, difference in my other woman time. And Shagins in the trousers in the guy said, there be a difference about with the gay and the lesbian for them. Now, Jensen into your 2 bomb. Last will be Freddy. Mammy, not to make a pepper pajamas at all. Mikoyano, Nina, trousers in the chassis mende. Sister, who store Nebino. Michelle cost to be when we have them more. Me call laundry and some cohadi. And you man woman fancy you. Woman to dear Unyamin Panana, I decree. But a pew hopa. Minamua. Namikuye. And they say, go here a shadow day. And my dear complete. Hey, Bomani Pepe. Huh? Everywhere. A chahunine shia. Underskirt ya near Shanagani. Underskirt ya was shot at there. No, I should be was here, your babu children in TSC and should be. Nina be wo. Michelle Masum, no say. You any underwear, your friend Ghana underwear, underskirt here, this year. Hey, you be so ha. Hey, let's have a professor who should be. Me, ma check away. Sister. Na so nenam Victoria's Secret. Near ma and the mema dear, but it is a woman no more than Pastor Honey Bama. Why na ye Bama? You were mad dear no gun. Ten see from. Mr. Dan na leave I come home come video channel. No mama come video. Secret ni na nye trousers you. I just ocean na sianza. Secret underwear na fie Ghana. Your friend underwear no, my friend underwear no. I you better say underskirts. You just shut up the asen. It's be wo. Ebi wo ho. Ni nyina bi wo ho. Gawo ye yihye fam ye dedai. Ebi wo ho. Ete sa atade ye ne se mata de use fam. Use fam. Enti se nyame abofo dum pa no so na okunu da ho a ebe wo se we ye okunu na we so ye wo a ye to ni nyina bom. Nti amount is difficult to see say we ye gay and not lesbian. Ye to afra do ye Christonia shata de ye to abom me oni nyina ebi si fom si hwe abrofo ye wa Christopher ho me true woman no one say wow, I don't know you guys sell, so oh yeah, we have it here. Nam say sa mi so mu tenten si fom fefefe kama ga tenten si fom fefefe kama bibia ye kama underskirt na pa bi ho he na mama no to away bebe stacking si ahihye bi achechele ye to I want be de won ayekuntu akwa wa mon kan treme ni ya bum ye ne gay for ne lesbian aye one. I was say Christopher difference by you in everything. Ye ma, ye shema dear, ye shema dear. I was seeing the member Jinawa, did you want to wear your bar, wear your better man? Nasi time to me go abontini dear chili. So what you say into a lesbian, you won't see it. Because you know you're jealous. To tell you your baby. Obefa o last year. O fa o che. O fa o da. En ye tudi e chire. Mpempenso ye dunu. Onyame de bufuhie. Boni ye dinti. Na ye se. Onyame ye mistake. Nti o se correcting the mistake. Ye se o ye mistake. Ne kwa se. O bo ba ne bema. Na o so o bo ba no ba. Bema no bema. Nti unyame ye mistake nti wo say ye correcting the mistake, and at the end of the day we say Abba Father. At the end of the day yes meja ye tene na chiwade nyina mo de wo so chiri no. At the end of the day ye go to jenim yes meja wo so wo ye wo jampa nka wo be ye de ope. So when you waja, now the boni ni di esafata mano, nka di ope, nka waja oso no, ka wo be di ope. Ka wo be di ope. He di boni kesi. E di nti no mama ye di try to shisha yemma. They were switching them from a woman to a man. They were switching her from rare to lesbian. That's what they were trying to do. That's what they were trying to do. In a peace school. I mean, you a man and member together. Oba no aye no se bema, you can't say anything. You will be in trouble. It is one educated man of you they think is a normal. So one more woman who say nunti na medi uja ekoto Sodom and Gomorrah, they will think it's a normal and they will follow the same footsteps. Because nowadays, even at school, the teachers, they won't allow them to bring Bible and read the Bible in school, but they will allow them and ask them, you really love pink, right? They will allow them to dress the way they want. They will allow them and tell them, say, if you feel like you are a man, you can wear whatever you want. They were stopping you to not bring in the Bible. But they are not stopping our girls, our boys, to put an earring on. To look like girls. But they will refuse for your children to bring Bible at school. They will refuse for your children to mention name Jesus at school. But they have a book to teach your children how to learn about gay and lesbians. They were teaching them, say, if you see a man and a man and they have a son, do not make fun of them. Don't bully them. They were mom and mom. That's okay. Now they have a book to teach your children at school. How to accept gays and lesbians. Because we are all equal. They have that book at school. But they forbid for you to bring Bible at school. It's abomination for them to see a kid with the Bible at school. But they allow to have a book to teach your children from kindergarten how to accept gays and lesbians. But they forbid for them to accept Jesus Christ. Why? Why? Until now, no battewa. They won't children. Obe free school, me ba no do odeba. Syllabus in the school morning. What do they teach our children? Teacher, me to one way gay. Yes, someone for book ni entra wo film kolase. No mo wo se maame na maame kutaba de wo ma basukua. Na wo ba akola no be where is your mother? No say this is my mom, this is my mom. And sreno. E normal. And they call it bully. If you do that, you're bullying them. And to accept it until they have a book to teach you how to accept them. So this is how God made them. It's okay for them to do that. But they refuse for your children to bring Bible at school, to teach them something. They refuse for your children to bring Bible and open John 3:16 and say God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten son. They say when you bring the Bible, you offend certain people. We, Christians, offend other people when we bring Bible to school. But Buddhisms, they don't offend us. Occultisms, they don't affect us. Scientologists, they don't affect us. Hinduism, they won't affect us. Muslims, they won't affect us. Now they stop them praying at school. Why? Because they don't want to offend Muslims. They don't want to offend Hindu. They don't want to offend Scientologists. They don't want to affect gays and lesbians. Resist Christianity. Why? Because of our behavior, we can't even teach our children. Akolana was trying to wash us here and transition. Oh, children nipa onye. Until no one that's so free school by our born in us, no one wanted to say bema. Because she's already wearing men clothes. Until a dear you when you make us feel one. Or so bad and better man, you know, better man show body. When you say so bad, better man, you better know who bema in tear. So better man show body, or better know who bad in tear. But when we say it, say, hey, why is she talking like that? Me found. Me between nipa mama from. Who petty me umpeja. Me si bonina uti me film yes abakoshi. Simple as ABC. Me nada. Tia ya me didi ye money trim. Didi nkolani trim. Last me juma mo weekend. My mom knows I was gay since when I was 5. She really knows I was gay. She always tell me. She says, since you hit 5 years that I know that you are gay. Or Gigi no so from there. Or Gigi no so from there. We refuse to educate our children. We refuse to learn something. We refuse to obey Jesus. You need to also die. Why? Because we refuse to obey our maker. No, no, so see in testimony. Nti yesu ye mana so be ye den. Oba so dinti e the pressure beba beto so am hu dem. ni nyina ne say won kasa wodi kan we ya so de tie Awurade. Why? You should boni some say ye. When was the last time I went to school? Omuke can say miss our kokoni teacher for near meeting. So woman they were Christians. You, your children, they were Christians. She said the back so you will change the school. You will change it. Oh mama. But what's you? Nyeshi, I'm here to try. There's a Bible no cross your money in a moment. See, children, or baby unity. But one can't say me and come once. One can't say my young come once. Teach your children, teach them. Be a Bible no child. Let them know. I'm not going to try to for the night. Quite mock. O quite mock as a benok. O quite Juma, Casa benok. Me may not send a moose or muti cheaper. O can want some enya. O we are born in the cheek a cassata papa. Oh, what about? Boots or the brofuyan. Oh, man, no. Nams do what take us no. What just what take us on. Once I make a once and one at your papa. The why no and make a once and then they also what they also know. And so in the tree at team said, Brother Father, Mamma, I said, what? Mom, what did you just say? Would the bonny make a once and also what say? Into nature's our boy. From now I will speak to you. Make a tree. And yes, I would do any see what I'm sick of this won't. Over time, I come up. Min Cassa in so far. It's time for us to teach our children and also change our own behaviors. If you refuse and rebel against God, or no subema woman so sorry. Last no beacon, yes, a lending, Kolani Kumo rough. It didn't tell Kolana so I dance out Mukunkumo. It didn't feel so better by Ramama, Amma, by Ram, Amma, Cassia. See, be a manish, we are Jesus Christ. Ninu Nasia, Nkomo di Suro, and your popo, and the Yansa, as Murade. Ya boy, I want a fan in an party as in the Ariansa, a yes in Yagunsa, yet timid in some goofy Africa be Durabuchi. Abomination. Nsegusu show nyamye bufu e mane do no me bani paso nti ahemfo no mugu abuchi o mugu nsa no munnue momfa mo nsam muti na munsum ntwadwadwo some friends samanfo na so for we preach me so wo chire mu ama utumi say yes san so pani amane nipa bi komu no san free die flow ye na nanom asoma bosom so wanya hwe your friend samanfo mu so munyira yichiki Japan samanfo umugu Hades echo Yesu Kristo maye to so nyini do mokugu jim samanfo a wo mu deke mu ato ye fra wo mu ntu na mu a na samanfo wo nyane anto Jesus anu mo sam tu ko da na jo no manda ne am Roberts ne adu nsam sika wo be ye adwuma na wo huhu no nyina ne se ye sen samanfo ni nyi wo anyina wo chichi jinapa ye hwiensa afre wo tumfo nyankopon so wo mramene samanfo ne nyensamam nti wunyamete na konya nso na ne buofu ti mu gu nso nsa no wo de mizrim nso pa ebeba be gumo na mo nana no so nti sa wo koto so bi gu nsa ma ne nya wo de o mo prochira mo ayemfo no so mu gu nsa mo ma mo yam hyehyem na mo wo futu bi a mo fa ma wo mo no mo chichi nyame bufuo abegu mo so mo wie ye pa me kam kira mo e ba ya den se be ye me kam kira mo ni hwisa show Awurade bufuo se ye ya mamre ye ntonchene se e ya mamre na when the body o be hyehyɛ mamre di o hyehyɛ mamre when the body no when the body nipa o no be hyehyɛ mamre se ye mfrɛ nsamanfo mum ani wie motufo osoro hima ni efo nyame nka ho ni ehwie nsa birthday because more shabonin something ye. A birthday no man than the gays and the lesbians. A birthday no sound no. Every tongue ram of random a chiwadi about mine. Chiwadi. No wonder. Some man not to the bamusho. No wonder. Because mom free or mom frase. Mube drab which are more, mube drab which are no see and one. Life no one ya mope. No mu janya meho. No mu deep party sechi. Akushibrechi. No mu jamu man one mo manu so say. Na se mo hiti sister this adinte. Na nkola na say. Na mu ntumi nya ho hwe. Because mu free mu kurum ba ya na mo mfa nyame anante. Mo jagurade ho. No mu di wiase ni gieti. No mo just akwa mo befa so a. Mo de trust metete mo ma no. Mo jade ho. Ti wo be hye ma no ti adwuma mo tete party ase. No obi hunu no opu niam agu nkola ne so. No ma be stubborn. Ni na ne se mo janya me ho. Ni di ayemfu yechi, ni yebodwa kese ye gunsa. Den segu atoye wabruchi. Yana nanu no me akaya sase. Ama hoho ne bagana ebedi asase no so mfaso. Ekromafo giso obabesi ja ne homa Chinese ni ansa no onyadi obedie enso pa no me abetoye manso yetutu brika bedura bruchi so a yana nanu masade ensegu asa toye sensamanfo no san toye no mo mesopa ye ne ma. So what you say? Me say uti abuchi na kwato so hini bi gunsa fa uduku boy ye twajajo so na wo asembia ka kire ne sa usra ne ye ne made sanu mi yesra mu munyi firi so bebi akomu biti akra keni kwase okobi omu chichi nyame bufu obi bia so under that roof you will receive it too. You will receive the wrath of God. Ye do much ken ye nana kwa ba ye busiafo mamla de yan tonchene na nana ma hwe ye so boy ho ban ye hwie sa e Christo 40 Pentecost 40 Baptist 40 SDA 40 Methodist 40 Roman ye hwie sa no mto ye se amamre ni dia sa ni gun san shnapui ni dia him kamobo obi kruma kamusie bibi papa obi ni wo se ahenye ye good nsegu na mo dia fra ni nti na Kristofo ni bi mu ahenye no nti na me ma no to amete yi me mu ahenye ni biem because some kamu jai sanigua kam die ni die se fata be bu ahenye no by nam say mu hie sa show nyame bufuo ade ne be fransa manfo so imagine sanu nti e ma me mu ahenye ni biem base mu be jai saniguo na mu die ni dia ma wurade ti se di David ye no nka be so mi di bu se fata e be ma mu ahemfo amobi gu abruchi krudio. So what you say? Come in the way. Cause me be dumochi amo be chichu nyame no me abegu mi so. Mu hwie sa. Nkenya mama. Asase be na da bruchi amu twitwa ton a. Nti monya daje. E de snap be hwie sa fra nsamanfo. Kuro pianso nsane be guso na mo me akakuro no. E guso se wom. No me na kakuro no. Na ye manage nsere penin pataku nti usi wase wona na fifi boni amudi o na eyesa na abaibon sam ni bi so tachire omo hye boni sam se nyeyi no mu di echi tutuntoma didi na na echi abayi half baibon sam half nti se krono se New York no otia ni ya capture New York fo Ghana fo egu wonyina ni ye go nsegu mutiri so ni dia se wo mabrabo wo no mumma tuoni abrofo no be kusku se die ontimi nyese wo moda ni nyina ne se wo mamba friend sama no so ha wo dia to aye nti wo se memai mumfiri wo mu na mo anye wo mo ne yo boni ni bi na so che ni bi ama wo so wo se memai mumfiri wo mu sa wo man friend Christianity come out from them. abuchiri usu bedi hene yema okwan na Ghana fo wa nyina di wo so yate ase ye de ni di ama se die so hene na fe de die ne firi soro beti ba yira ho mama mu begu nsa mu ba friends amanfo be sey ye hyebere abe sey ye ne ye ma e die ntia musu mu bedi ye so hene mu bedi ye so hema yo yate ye de ni die se fata be mam se mu ni ye so hema ene wo hene yes na fe de ade na mu be hie sa ade no mi abigu ye ne ye ma so brama nkie die ni di so be mama ne supportum ba ye wonsa mu chichu nyame bufu abaye so nti woni tifu bia be dwane nye so wompemosem pa ba wo hu direction na moko na woni mochi ye die ni di ama wo mo pene so sa mo medi wo so ni asori fo kan enye wiase fo nko na meboa na fede no di unyame so uchire na sorry for ka ho de support mu se mu ni na mudi unyame echi wade na mo bo hye se ye support why mu wi amati ku si enwen ewe foku asante maiku hwan ku si enwen mu wi a no mo se didi enyame na yidi na ni chi na tem wa bra ka be ye fe se dru Sunday o hini tutu ne ntoma kotena sore dem o hime tutu ne ntoma kotena sore dem ni nyina ya so nyame kuro yi aje se di woni no obedi mochi o mugu nsen aje se di woni je se di ono no Kristo so mo di na chechiri se praga Bible no won hia je sa nkofu ni bedi mochi ayemo na no na kamema branko dia emparme kora koso me hwe bufu nyame de ba mimi ntimi nyina ni mu na mabeso somoso nti so bi di hine kan ya mo ntra me abuchire kro di mu ha ohene be na engusa di wo ngunsa mo mfa ni di nto ma me he na me support no di wo ngunsa mo mfa ni di nto na me support no di wo bu awurade fare no mo mfa ni di nto na me support no munchira mi wahima wo bu awurade efare no na mo fa ne nto na me support no awo ba kwa ni munsa ibi so esi we mo fo hene me nka ho me yema mo mfa me nka ho me nya Ghana ni o na me nya America ni me ye Kristo ni eni de no mi aba ye man so no enu na ma nkola no chese ye pon mo ampon enu na wonya wo woni woni bi da hwede wo mado e ye no ya be support wo ye hye boni nsamude kwa brane ko ha ne ntuma gura fra ne hudiki ye gunsa woni ne kuta snap no hwie ne ye gunsa no mi beba ubeye mobo she ubeye mobo unyame bufu bi beba usoma ubeye mobo she wuchitira na sana utare na ubeye mobo because mo yesa no unyame ni asuja se ko wona konwa ne so na me buofu yidi chire me se no all night so for wo preach ya mama ai nyize mosadi atwa ya bruchi me say o hine wo say wo di hine wa bruchu hu nsa fa odi bra na respect o hima wo say won so sane ma no so fa odi bra a wo de wo ye Kristo ni fa odi bra na me support ti manese ya so ye ti awurade ti wono so o jaye manim ti wonu mu kasa ni value na akasa wo beti onyame atosa bi egu wonu mosem so ti wo kasa won ti da why because we mu no suffer ready mo jenyame o na buche ni je chese onyame oni a mu wi amasa kosere mu afre erade nchen na wo ba na wontie wasem no ya wo ma ne de ope ye jiji gay ne lesbians ye boniti erade ubusa no sini Kristo ade na mo kwa na mo fi se mo ye Kristofo mo de mo hwe mo kwa na mo fi nso na brabo wotimu nya uko kana ne buofu. Don't shoot the sheriff. Me choro Bible. Uko kana omu na se kufu. Na nye omu na so na meja me kana kura chiro. Me kan chira mo se Chicago fo ahemfo yi. Munya nsangu. Na chichi unyame ebufu ba. Nsana mamu bi mu da munyi mfiri. Na mo hwe. Se nshira mamo so a. So unyame ni mo nyame nsane mo so mo na mo ma. New York fo ahemfo munya nsangu na mo hwe so unyame nsane ni mo nyamu e wo mo na mo maso a. Washington DC fo ahemfo munya nsangu na mo hwe. London fo ahemfo munya nsangu na mo hwe so unyame ni nhira nsane mo so mo na mo maso a. Germany fo ahemfo munya nsangu na mo hwe so unyame wo nhira mo na mo maya. Nyesa kokwasa sana de duru kuro kokwasa ikano chero me nada ebi ana woni maka de ya chero woni pa fa samne nante na ye kronkron mawradi ebre yi ninkaso nya wodi ana de chena wo enne nya wodi last year they said in city 5 years ago they said in city na wona so hwahwehwem na hwese de wo gogo ba e kire se mre yi ninkaso oso ma yemfie aduoso abro so kra ye aduoche na subini wo aduoso no kra wonya. Jesus Christ, me was any day. So when I'm in, I was semaba. Ora Yesu, Miss Sama Samin Kugo Sassipaso. Ubipia will be no, so what is happening? No, sir, a raditino. Na me so tina, Uncle Saboni. Yet there was a so kind no year thing. And Munamia ye and come de concron. Oh, Jesus Christ, Amen.